Hi guys, welcome back to Sanju's Fantasy 11. Today we are discussing about Royal Challengers Bangalore will take on Rajasthan Royals in the league match of IPL 2020 at Indian Premier League, which will be played at the Said Stadium in Abu Dhabi. Royal Challengers Bangalore have won 2 of their 3 games so far in the tournament, and they are coming on back of a really good win against the strong Mumbai Indians. The top order of the team is in really good form, and they would want Virat Kohli to help them as well. The death bowling is still looking a concern for the side, but Navdeep Saini has been bowling really well. RCB would definitely want to continue their winning momentum in this game as well. Rajasthan Royals, on the other hand, faced their first defeat of the tournament in the last game. They have to adjust to the bigger ground dimensions after winning both of their games in the pocket-sized Sharjah Stadium. Sanju Samson, Steve Smith and Josh Butler will play a huge part in their batting, whereas Jofra Archer will lead the bowling lineup yet again. The Royals would want to return to the winning ways. Let's discuss about the pitch and weather report. The pitch has been decent enough for the batting in the first innings, whereas it gets a little slower in the second innings. The average first innings batting score in IPL 2020 at Abu Dhabi is 170. Let's discuss about the Sanju's Fantasy 11 team for today's match. In wicketkeepers, we have all 3 options here: Josh Butler, AB de Villiers and Sanju Samson. All these 3 wicketkeepers are very fit the bill. Josh Butler gave us a glimpse of his batting abilities in the last match. AB de Villiers is in very good touch at the moment with the bat. He has made 134 runs from 3 games so far. Last but not least, Samson, who lit Sharjah on fire, is a must-have pick. So I am picking these 3 wicketkeepers: Josh Butler, AB de Villiers, Sanju Samson. Next we are going to bat. On batting, Steven Smith and Devdutt Padikkal are must-haves from the batsman selection. Devdutt Padikkal is a very good pick considering his budget price. Smith will look to bounce back after a poor show with the bat in the last match. One of Aaron Finch or Virat Kohli would sufficient as the third batsman. I am choosing here Aaron Finch. On next, all-rounders. In all-rounders, Ben Stokes is not yet reached to Rajasthan Royals. Now, Rahul Tewatia and Shivam Dube will be the 2 all-rounders. Tewatia has contributed with both bat and ball, and with spin expected to play a part, Tewatia's role increases marginally. Shivam Dube didn't bowl in the last match, as Virat Kohli used only 5 bowlers. However, Shivam Dube's batting prowess gives him the edge over others in this section. So I am choosing Rahul Tewatia as an all-rounder in my team. Next we are going to choose bowlers. Of course, Jofra Archer. Then Tom Curran. Tom Curran was the star performer for Rajasthan Royals. He scored 54 runs and took 1 wicket in a losing course. Overall, he has taken 3 wickets in 3 games so far. Jofra Archer is a key player for Rajasthan Royals, and he is a must-have pick in the fantasy team. He bowled quick in the last match. He clocked over 150 km per hour more than 8 times. The round of Isru Udana would suffice. Udana played his first match for RCB against Mumbai Indians, and he did pretty well. So I am choosing Udana 2. Then the last bowler, Saini. Saini have a great record in RCB. Here is we need to choose a captain and vice captain. I am choosing Sanju Samson as captain, AB de Villiers as vice captain. Samson have a great record against RCB. About de Villiers, same too. He have a great record against Rajasthan Royals. This is Sanju's Fantasy 11 team for today's match. Rajasthan Royals against Royal Challengers Bangalore. And thank you all for watching my video. I'll come back with more videos. If you have liked my video, please do like, share and subscribe.